This is the Jabra Elite 11 Active, and Jabra says these are the ultimate workout earbuds, tougher, smarter, and better sounding than almost anything else in the fitness category. But after using them daily for workouts, calls, travel, and just regular life, I discovered something surprising. These might actually be better outside the gym than inside it. Jabra Elite 11 Active Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Jabra Elite 11 Active are premium true wireless earbuds from Jabra, released as part of their performance-focused lineup aimed squarely at active users, commuters, and everyday listeners who want durability without sacrificing sound quality. These sit near the top of Jabra's range and replace older workout favorites like the Elite 7 Active. The big selling point here is durability, combined with flagship-level features, including adaptive noise cancellation, spatial audio support, multi-point connectivity, and one of the toughest waterproof ratings you'll find in earbuds today. Jabra Elite 11 Active Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do they actually perform? I use the Elite 11 Active for workouts, long walks, Zoom calls, and even cross-city commuting. And honestly, reliability is where these shine. Connection stability is excellent thanks to Bluetooth multipoint, meaning switching between your phone and laptop feels almost instant. Sound quality is surprisingly refined for active earbuds. You get punchy bass for workouts, but it doesn't overpower vocals or podcasts. Music sounds energetic without becoming muddy, something fitness earbuds often struggle with. Noise cancellation also impressed me. Adaptive ANC automatically adjusts depending on your surroundings. Walking near traffic, it ramps up isolation. Sitting indoors, it eases off slightly so audio feels more natural. Call quality is another standout. Even in windy outdoor conditions, voices came through clearly thanks to Jabra's multi-mic system. People I called genuinely couldn't tell I was outside. The biggest surprise? These don't feel like niche workout earbuds. They feel like everyday premium earbuds that just happen to survive workouts better. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First, adaptive active noise cancellation. This automatically adjusts noise blocking based on your environment. The benefit? You don't constantly fiddle with settings. Whether you're at the gym or on a plane, it just works. Second, hear-through mode. This transparency mode sounds incredibly natural. You can hear conversations or traffic clearly without removing the earbuds, perfect for runners or grabbing coffee mid-walk. Third, Jabra Sound Plus app customization. You get a full EQ, sound presets, and personalized hearing tests. That means you can tune the sound exactly how you like it instead of accepting a one-size-fits-all profile. Fourth, multi-point connectivity. This is huge for real life. Listening to music on your laptop and a call comes in on your phone, the earbuds switch automatically. Once you use this feature daily, it's hard to go back. These aren't flashy gimmicks, they're practical upgrades that improve everyday usability. Design and build. Aesthetically, Jabra kept things minimal and functional, and honestly, it works. The earbuds have a matte rubberized coating that feels secure and slightly grippy, which helps them stay put during workouts. Unlike stem-style earbuds, these sit flush in your ears, making them comfortable under hats or during exercise. And durability is where they really stand out. With an extremely high waterproof and dustproof rating, these are built to survive sweat, rain, and probably workouts you'll regret later. They're lightweight, comfortable for long sessions, and don't create pressure fatigue, which makes a bigger difference than you'd expect after a few hours. Pros. Excellent secure fit for workouts and daily wear. Reliable adaptive ANC and natural transparency mode. Strong battery life with multi-point connectivity. Cons. ANC isn't quite class-leading against premium rivals. Case design is functional, not exciting. Final verdict. So, who are these for, and are they worth your hard-earned cash? If you're someone who wants one pair of earbuds that can handle workouts, workdays, and travel, the Jabra Elite 11 Active are incredibly easy to recommend. They balance durability, comfort, and sound quality better than almost anything in the fitness category. If you're an audiophile chasing absolute best-in-class noise cancellation, options from Sony or Bose might edge ahead slightly, but they're usually less rugged and less secure during movement. Here's the thing. Jabra didn't just make workout earbuds, They made lifestyle earbuds that happen to be extremely tough. For active professionals, gym goers, and commuters who hate babying their tech, this might be one of the smartest audio purchases you can make right now.